In today's video, I'll teach you a simple but powerful photo manipulation trick to create an eye-catching, surreal, or artistic edits in just minutes. Now let's get started. So when you're logged into your Canva account, you're going to go to custom size. I'm going to use 6 by 7 inches, okay? And when that's pulled up, I'm going to go to elements on the left side. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to type in coffee cup, okay? I'm going to click on photos, and I'm going to use this one, okay? Type in island, click on photos, and then just kind of select the photo that you want to use. So I like this. What we're going to do next is decrease this, all right? Then we're going to go to the top, and we're going to decrease the transparency because we're trying to get it on top. We're trying to get it inside the cup itself, okay? The coffee. All right. Bring it down. Okay, guys, once that's done, we're going to right click, go to layer, and send it back, okay? The next thing we want to do is go back to elements, and we're going to type in oval frames, and I'm going to use this one right here, okay? And I'm going to drag it up here, and I'm trying to get it as small as the coffee itself. Okay, we just keep playing around with it until we get it inside. So guys, once that's done, you're going to click on the island, and then you're going to duplicate the island, okay, and then you're going to put it inside, okay? So we're going to duplicate it, and we're going to adjust it so it'll fit, adjust it to our left. I'm trying to make sure that it fits the back part of the island, okay? Okay, guys, we're going to click the back island, and we're going to click background remover. Okay, guys, so once that's done, you're going to right click, go to layer, show in layers, and we're going to bring this all the way to the top. Okay, guys, once that's done, we're going to crop this, okay, and bring it to the left. So we're just trying to get it to basically form one picture. Okay, guys, so once that's done, we're going to go to elements on the left side and frames. Okay, guys, so once that's pulled up, you're going to scroll down until you find the frame that you like. So this is the frame I'm going to use. Okay, guys, so once that's done, we're going back to elements, and we're going to type in blue water, bottom of the ocean, okay? Photos. And I kind of like this one right here. So once that's done, you're going to drag into your frame. All right. The next thing you want to do is double click on the frame. Okay, so you'll get this box right here. And so what we're trying to do, we're going to rotate it some. Okay. Okay, guys. So we're just trying to increase. I'm trying to make sure it gets most of the bottom of this. That's done. We're going to go to, we're going to right click. We're going to go to layer. I'm going to show in layers. And we're going to move this to the bottom of this, okay? Okay, guys, once that's done, we're going to right click. We're going to show in layers. And we're going to bring this one behind the oval shape itself, okay? Then we're going to duplicate this, okay? Okay, guys, the next thing you want to do is go to the top. We're going to change the color to a gradient below, okay? Make it line up again, and then move it to the left a little bit, and just bring it down a little bit, okay? Then we're going to go to layer, show in layers, and we're going to bring this below, okay? What we want to do is duplicate the gray image, and we're going to just bring it to the right some. Okay, when that's done, guys, we're going to right click, show layer. Okay, and we're going to bring this all the way down and put it on top of between the blue and the gray one. Okay, guys, so once this is done, we're going to change the background color. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select this one right here, and I'm going to go to elements. I'm going to add clouds. Okay, graphics. Okay, reduce it some. This one, this cloud here as well. Gonna reduce the size of it. Okay, let's add some type of birds. Okay, let's try this right here. Let's bring it up some. I think the next thing we want to do is maybe add a little water, some water drops or splash. Water, 3D. And let's use this right here to reduce the size of it. Okay, and let's flip it. Okay, so, and I'm gonna drag it over here. All right, and I'm gonna copy and paste and drag it over here. So guys, this is the final result, and it does look pretty good to me. You can go to the share button in the right corner. You can download it as a PNG. Click download. So guys, that's how you create amazing photo manipulation with the transparency in Canva. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.